Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PayPal business account to receive online payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your PayPal business account and start receiving online payments, first, navigate to the PayPal website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Select the option for a business account when prompted. Enter your email address in the designated field and click continue. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. Fill in the necessary business information, including your business name and contact details. Provide information regarding your business type, such as whether you are a sole proprietor or a corporation. Enter your business address, including street, city, state, and postal code. Next, fill in your phone number and confirm that it is correct. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. You will then be prompted to provide personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and address. Enter your social security number or tax identification number in the appropriate field. Review the terms and conditions, and agree to them by checking the box. Click Agree and Create Account to finalize the setup. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email from PayPal. Open your email and click on the link to confirm your account. Log into your new PayPal business account using your email and password. Next, to start accepting payments, link your bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. Go to the Wallet section and select the option to link a bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details and confirm the information. Once linked, you may need to verify your bank account through the small deposit method. This process usually involves PayPal sending 2 small deposits to your bank account. Check your bank statement for those deposits and verify them in your PayPal account. After verification, your bank account will be fully linked. To set up payment receiving options, navigate to the Profile section in your account settings. Select Account Settings and look for the Business Setup section. Here, complete any additional steps required to configure your payment options. You can also explore integrating PayPal buttons or forms on your website for customer payments. Once everything is set up, test a small transaction to ensure your account is working properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.